this video, we will be making honey garlic sauce for our chicken. First, we melt the butter and then we saute the garlic. So once you hear, you smell the aroma of the garlic, just put it in low fire. Now you can add the sugar. You can use brown sugar. Seems that is enough. Make sure that your fire is at low, not medium, so it will not get burnt. So we will put this in low fire, very, very low fire. There you go. Keep on stirring. And then we'll add some soy sauce. And so we will be adding the soy sauce now. Just a few of it. And then mix until it blends in the color. So we'll just continue mixing it until you get the consistency that you wanted. So keep on stirring. Just keep on stirring. Alright, so just low fire. And then we will be adding some honey. You can use any honey available in the market. So let's pour some. There you go. Okay. So that's fine. And let's continue stirring it. Until it will thick. The butter will thick now. You see the consistency on our sauce? There you go. So let's add more honey to it. Alright, so while we are stirring this one, I will share to you what I did with the chicken. Alright, so here's the chicken that we already deep fried a while ago. So first, wash the chicken, cut it into pieces, and then you put some soy, what you call this fish sauce, and some pepper, and then coat it with flour and also cornstarch, and deep fried with cooking oil. So let's go back to our sauce. So it's thick now. So let's put our chicken. There you go. Okay, so you can also use chicken wings instead. But I prefer this one. There you go. So keep on stirring until you cover the chicken with sauce. So let's just coat our chicken with the sauce. Don't forget to make it in low heat so the caramel won't be that hard. Alright then. So there you go. We're almost done with our garlic honey chicken. Alright. And you see the consistency to it. Alright. Alright, so we're almost done. You can sprinkle it with onion chives if you want, or some sesame seeds, but that is just only optional. Alright, so here's our honey butter garlic chicken. Garlic honey butter chicken, call it what you want, but I know this is yummy and delish. Guys, I'm drooling now. So thank you so much for watching. Again, this is Irene Vlogs. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for you to be updated on my latest recipes. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Shout out Mela team. Thank you so much. And to my sponsor, Carmen USA, thank you so much. This is the dish specially made for you. Thank you so much. Bye.